just got up. Okay, I just got up. Babe's been driving overnight. We just got to Barstow, California. We're here to take showers. We have Babe's niece with us, so we can get on in there and take a shower. So we're gonna let her have her own shower, so she gets the full truck driver experience. Okay, just took our showers. We're feeling so fresh, so clean. Something about them truck stop showers. Okay, we are back in the truck. Me and Lauren are gonna go ahead and get to eating. We got some Panera Bread. She got her strawberry banana smoothie. I got this green smoothie.
It's disgusting how it tastes.
It's really nice. Good. Sesame chicken salad. I love how hot they are. They are fresh today. I got a
That's a good thing too.
Sesame chicken salad. I'm gonna enjoy.
Go ahead and call those two.
Got the sesame chicken salad. Why am I matching my food today? Okay. Gives us 8 hours to drive before we have to stop and take a 30-minute break. So as you can see here, I have 2 hours and 39 minutes before I have to stop and take a 30-minute break. And then after that 30-minute break, I have 3 more hours that I can drive because I can only drive 11 hours in a day. So we just got to our destination, which is Estes. I'm gonna show y'all. Go Babe walking this way, but it's let's see if I can show y'all. You really can't see, but anyway, once we got here, we unhooked from our trailer. Uncoupled, and came over to Wine Hall and basically just gave them the papers and let them know. Well, you literally just walk in with the paper and say, hey, we just dropped this off, we're picking up an empty, and then they let us know where the empties are, and we're free to pick. Here's the paper that we got from Wine Hall. Just we have to have them sign it, and then after they sign it, like this person signed it, then we have to scan this in to our company, to our fleet team, dispatchers, and that's simple. We just use our company app and we take a picture of it and scan it in. There you go. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That's crazy. Their ears are so freaking big.
You ain't throw my dogs away.
You want the world to know you make that
I just woke up, y'all.
Hey, Pierre, come out here.
It look just like you. Just be quiet.
You look like
Yeah, you don't need no to be quiet.
Yeah.
I look like who?
Good old niece, Uncle Love. Yeah, so basically,
Okay, I'm gonna do 100 jumping jacks.
it's a lot going on.
Get back in the truck and let's do 100 jumping jacks.
Because I had to do it on the gas.
Hey guys, so I want to take this time to thank Skinceuticals for sending me their new SPF. I was gifted this product and I am excited because as a truck driver, I always need SPF. I'm constantly in the sun these days. I'm facing the sun all day while I'm driving, and it's just really important to me to protect my skin. Skinceuticals is a great brand that I love. They have a world famous vitamin C serum that I just love, so I definitely appreciate them sending this to me, and I will let you guys determine whether or not there's a white cast on my face. Even if there is, honestly, I'm going to keep using it because guess what? You have skin all over your body. And I personally don't care if my arms have a little bit of a white cast if I'm protecting my skin. Back up into a spot, but guess what? I set up completely horribly, so the setup is literally everything. Daggone it! Got too many trucks coming my way right now, as y'all can see. I don't know why all these trucks are coming towards this way. Maybe I didn't get the memo. But anyway, okay. So I'm about to go back around and try to park again. I think also sometimes I can tell there's just not enough room. So what I want to do is I want to come back down this road the other way, because you want to park on the side that you can see. Okay. Alright, cool. So I'm about to whip this thing around. Daggone it. Ooh, here we go. I got a spot. Okay, I'm about to back up. I'm about to drive into this space right there. I don't feel like backing, so I'm just gonna whip this thing in there. So let's see if I can do it. Trying to just pull into this without bumping this trailer. Let's see, is it even possible? It might not be. Ooh. Oh no, this isn't happening, because look at that. So let's get out of here. I don't know, something funky is going on with me and my setup, so I'm gonna try it again. A minute ago I was not deep enough, so I think I'm gonna turn. I don't even know, y'all. I really don't know. I can't figure out. Well, probably because I have a reefer trailer. My trailer. Oh shoot! I didn't see them coming. Okay, got it. My reefer trailer is a little bit long. Okay. And it's a little bit embarrassing. Like you get tired of steady, like you feel like someone's watching you fail at trying to park, and it's not fun. That's my biggest challenge with trucking, is like the embarrassment of the skill. I don't know. Oh, it's working. It's working, y'all. It's working. It's working. I don't know why. It's working. Let me show you how the current situation very much jackknifed. Alright, so reverse again with some left. another one. They must have a terminal up here or something.